Friends, inside today's video, I am going to start a challenge whose name is the Whop Clipping Challenge, and we will see how many dollars you can earn from Whop clipping within 24 hours. And the people who are working on Whop, they would know that Instagram and TikTok's algorithm does not support new creators at all. People sit for hours and edit videos. Think of the perfect hook. Apply trending audio, and what is the result? 0 views, 10 views. So today in this video, I will tell you my personal method of earning from Whop clipping. In this challenge of mine, we are not going to wait for organic views. We are not going to fold our hands before the algorithm. I will show you how direct earnings are generated without taking the tension of organic views just by using a smart loophole and fake views. This video is for those people who actually want to earn money by doing smart work. The time starts now. So first of all, we will need 2 things. First, a new Whop account and a TikTok account. Why I am using a TikTok account, I will tell you at the end. So first of all, I come to the Whop dashboard. This time, our focus is on execution more than quality. I want such a campaign that is paying a good amount for every 1,000 views. Look here, there is a campaign which is giving $1.50 for 1,000 views. Their requirement is also not too hard, it is just normal, so I join this. And understanding its requirement well, I start preparing the video. Look, because we are not trying to go viral organically, therefore I don't need to sit for hours to make mind-blowing edits or transitions. I just have to do enough basic editing that Whop's admin approves my video. That's why I quickly start preparing reels with CapCut. There you go, brother. In just 1 hour, I have prepared 15 reels of this campaign. No overthinking, no stress, because our real game will start after it gets uploaded. Now let me tell you why I used TikTok. So my team has made such a TikTok mod app, which is exactly like TikTok, and it takes the place of TikTok in the Play Store, in which we have blocked all other countries except Tier 1 countries. Due to which, what will happen is, whatever video we upload, their direct views will only come from countries like the USA, UK, Canada. And a lot of people were facing this problem. That whichever campaigns they work on, their admins are asking them for a screen recording of the analytics by going directly into the Play Store and opening the Instagram or TikTok app. So this TikTok mod app of ours, which also comes directly into the Play Store. From this, what will happen is that the views of your reels will definitely come from countries like the USA, UK. Along with that, when they ask for analytics from the Play Store, then we will directly go into the Play Store and give the analytics of the TikTok mod. So our video will easily get approved and the withdrawal will also come. So now I have uploaded the video on TikTok by putting the title and hashtag according to this campaign. So now I copy the links of all these and submit them in this Whop campaign. But here it is asking for a screenshot of the analytics. So I put the top USA screenshot of my previous video, clicked on submit, done. Now we will give some initial views on these clips. And now we just have to wait for them to get approved. And now comes the most main part of this entire challenge. Friends, normally people here wait for when someone will watch their reel and when the views will increase. But our system is different. As soon as these clips get approved, I will directly inject views on these videos by using my secret method. This is not some normal botting that Whop's system detects. This is such a highly secure trick that shows the views 100% legit and organic in the eyes of the platform. You do not have to worry about bringing views at all. You can wake up in the morning and increase views according to yourself and directly see its payout in the Whop dashboard. This has literally become a money printing glitch. Now I will wait till tomorrow. I will meet you straight tomorrow, exactly 24 hours later, and let's see how many dollars we have printed.
A few hours later.
All right, guys, 24 hours have been completed. I know my method works, but I'm excited to see for myself how much money Whop has generated this time. Let's go direct to the dashboard. Boom! Look at the screen, friends. The views that I had increased with my method. Whop's system has counted them 100% genuine. Payments have started coming from the side of content rewards. You can see the content rewards chat here. How many dollars I have received according to my views. Let me add all these up and tell you. $2, $3, $5, $2, $1, $3, $2, $4, $6, $3, $2. The total is $33. This we have earned only and only in 24 hours. So, friends on Whop, whichever campaigns we work in, their money comes in our Whop account after 3 days. So, I will put my withdrawal proofs in my free Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Okay, so friends, do you know what is the most fun thing? I did total work in this for only 1 hour. Neither was I waiting to go viral, nor was I doing hashtags research. I applied my shortcut and the result is in front of you. This is proof that if you have the right knowledge, then you can easily beat this system. Now look, if I wanted, I could have kept this secret to myself. But I know that many people among you are struggling to earn the first dollar online. That is why I have packed this exact Whop clipping earning method into a step-by-step course. In this course, I will teach you by screen sharing how to work on Whop from beginner level and from where to bring those views, how to inject them, and how to do 100% earning. And along with this course of mine, I will also give you the TikTok mod app made by my team, with which you will be able to do screen recording of analytics directly from Play Store without using any Insights app and without any headache. People charge $100 to $200 for such an earning method course in Insights app. Earlier, I had also thought that I should keep its price $100, but my motive is not to rob you. My motive is to make such a community which earns money smartly and secretly. That is why I have strictly made the price of this course and TikTok mod price $20 only for the first 20 people. You think yourself, you blow $20 outside roaming with friends. Here, that same $20 is giving you such a skill with which you can generate daily good amount of dollars and start your regular earning. And if you face any difficulty anywhere in earning, then I will teach you personally on call or by coming live. Okay, so you are actually serious and want to make money using this system's glitch? Then I have given my contact details and also a link of a free Telegram channel in the pinned comment section, in which I will keep sharing earning guides and earning proofs for free. So go right now and become a part of my Telegram community. And one last thing, only those who take action get results. Bye.